How to redeem Zip rewards. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Zip rewards. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Go to the Zip rewards section of your Zip app. Once you have reached or exceeded the rewards goal, you can request a redemption of your reward. Tap Redeem located below the rewards balance once you have reached your reward goal, that is $20. You will then be asked how you wish to redeem your rewards. You can redeem the rewards either as Zip Cashback or transfer to Qantas Points. If you choose to transfer Zip rewards to Qantas Points, you will be asked to link your Qantas frequent flyer number in the Zip app if you have not already done so. Remember that $20 Zip rewards equals to 500 Qantas points. So, this is how you can redeem Zip rewards. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.